What term of endearment will I call my future girlfriend? Honey. I like honey.
Honey, my love, so sweet.
Honey or sweetie or hun. I like hun.
Uy, muna for sister for...
Sige lang, send lang kayo na send ng yung gift, oh. More gift.
Sige,
May sarili silang mundo. Actually, AI lang po yun. Kami lang po talaga ni Bimsan dito sa totoong buhay.
Yeah.
Smiley.ph Lulu Castro. Oh, thank you. Cute nyo.
Haba ng hair nila. Cute. You want me cake? Given.
Andiyan na Liza, naka-live. Ay,
Date. Communicate plus coffee. Hindi ako I'm not the... I don't...
ayun ba yan?
Gifts?
Gift.
Lo! Kinakabahan, no?
Kumain na kayo dyan, Papi Jack.
Kanina. Oo. Patient. Oh, bakla sila.
Ay. So, by the way, guys.
Oh! Okay nila. Blooming Reza. Oh my gosh. Wala.
Why?
Nothing happened. Tulog yung?
Ikaw ang nagdadagan eh.
Hindi naman na.
Uy! Ano yan?
Goods. Goods.
AI, yes. Ikaw na mag-ano din.
Ikaw na. Sabay tayo.
Bye, Dabber Cats.
Wait, may table na ano.
Oh,
Sinira mo. You broke my table. Nawala bigla viewers. Bait nila. Hi, Bib and Rice.
super.
She's leaving na eh. She's leaving na. She's gonna go eat out with Papa Jack. Ako, I'll skip.
Bye. So, bye, Dabber Cats.
Oh! Okay nila. Blooming Reza. Oh my gosh. Wala.
Why?
Nothing happened. Tulog yung?
Ikaw ang nagdadagan eh.
Hindi naman na.
Uy! Ano yan?
What?
Hindi okay.
Watch it, turn it up.
Babay na tayo.
Bye.
Raps muna tayo ng very light. Dito.
Say it off.
Oo, para hindi na siya gutom sa corner. Daddy!
I want to see Raisa talaga. Here's Raisa. Hi, Raisa.
Classic talaga to. Pwede to, talaga, classic.
Visa
Antigo.
for what yan? Hindi ko naman.
Canada. Nag-Canada kami nun.
Dito ko naman.
7,
6, 7.
Sabi ko, ba't lagi sinasabi ni Bossy ko?
Pero sumasakto lagi. Laging 6-7, no?
7.
You can call me maybe.
It's hard to look
Hindi
back.
na, walang sticker eh.
What term of endearment will I call my future girlfriend? Honey. I like honey.
Honey, my love, so sweet.
Honey or sweetie or hun. I like hun. I don't like baby.
Ako, tatawagin ko? Kunyari magkaroon ako ng hiya.
Why hiya?
Pag nagkaroon ako ng jowa, hiya ang itatawag ko.
Ako, I like hun. Hi, hun.
Ako, hiya.
Yeah.
Ba't yeah?
Hindi sweet, di ba? Hiya, pakuha nga ng na.
Baby, alas.
I like hun. I don't like
Hiya,
baby.
kuya.
Gana lang. Gana lang.
Kuya Bims, why would you like to call your future girlfriend honey? I just like it.
Ang social naman ng live ko.
I like hun.
Mali, dali!
Hun or honey. Kasi ayoko ng baby because like you're calling your significant other
Ang kanina
baby.
YouTube, papakita ko sa inyo. Kaya alam nung
Alin?
Telepono.
Papakita ko sa inyo yung
I like Han.
Hindi, sa phone mo.
Or like...
Itatype ko.
Hi, Han.
Alin nga? Hi, hon.
Tsaka that's my term of endearment for my little, ano eh, little cousins. How are you doing, Han?
Cute.
Kasi pag baby, it's, ano eh, hindi mo naman yan baby eh. You're planning on having a baby with that person. So,
May hindi nakikinig kapag julit-julit yung sagot na nga ah.
more gift. How old are you na, Bim? I'm 19.
Uwi po natin kay nanay kasi alit tayo naman.
Uy, ako rin, di ba?
7, diba?
Oh.
Yo, may robot butting before we leave.
Okay.
Ayun nga.
Mali.
Ayun na, mali. Isa nga lang, bilis ma. Isa mo lang malili ka dito.
Isi ka mo na?
Oo, bilis yun. Manood kayo video niyo, bilis.
Nasaan?
Dito ka. Isa lang. Who's in the house?
Hi! Ano pa nga ba ang lagi niyong hinihirit sa amin? Ha 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 ha! Itchy ka mo na! Dali!
Thank you, Mama Loy.
This way, tell me what does one say? Someone who is this way, can this be love? I am not sure of this feelings now. Why do I tremble whenever you're near? I can't seem to say my words, so you'll hear this is the first time I'll say I love you. This is the first time I ever felt so happy.